Hey man, Nike is doing some crazy and unexpected things this upcoming year. And I ain't gonna lie, man, even this year, we have a lot of heat dropping. I feel like June and July was a little bit simmered down. We ain't really got a lot. But for the remainder of the year and for 2025, bro, I know y'all probably tired of hearing me talk about it, but it's gonna be crazy filled with heat. And like you guys have been hearing, bro, it seems like Jordan Brand Nike is emptying the clip, man. Let's talk about it in today's video. Yo, what's going on, everybody? YouTube, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in once again. Your boy back up on here, man. You guys know I always come up here to get you guys' opinion, get y'all feedback, see what y'all feeling about these upcoming releases and stuff like that. And again, like I said, bro, we got some news that we getting some crazy heat. I said, yo, it's no way, you know what I'm saying? But it is a way. And Nike said, let's go ahead and unveil them things. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. It might go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So help your boy out. Let's get them likes up. Let's get back in that algorithm. Let's get this content pushed out. And you guys already know, man, the content will keep coming, the early looks, and all that good stuff. And hopefully, we have an early Air Jordan 6 very, very soon. Y'all stay tuned for that, man. And while I got y'all here, I did want to, reach out and see who all picked up the first in flight Air Jordan 1s today. They're still literally sitting everywhere on sneakers, Finish Line, JD. They sitting literally everywhere. Still a nice, solid colorway. So if you guys did want to get them, like I said on my Instagram, I will wait. You know what I'm saying? A lot of these Jordan 1s, a lot of these general releases and stuff like that have been sitting. So if you can wait off for a little bit, you don't need them right now. You don't need an Air Jordan 1 right now. Hold off, wait till they go on sale, get these things for like 30 to 40% off. You guys see what happened with the yellow ochre ones and a lot of other ones before that. They have been going on sale. And the last Jordan 1 that I got for a crazy steal was a reimagined Royals. I got those for 90 bucks on Kiss. So if you want to get a nice clean Jordan 1, they ain't as hyped as they used to be back in the day. So you guys can wait, save you some money, and get a nice clean pair like these first in flight Air Jordan 1s. I think it's a clean colorway. You know what I'm saying? Still a clean colorway. Just, current market, the way things is going right now. These ain't a must for a cop right now, if I'm being honest. So again, man, you guys have gotten the news that we're going to be getting the Bread High 85s. We're going to be getting the UNC High 85s, along with the other, some other heat, you know what I'm saying? White cement 4s, black metallic 5s, and some news that we got recently that I haven't really been seen talked about a lot is you better be getting a crazy classic, bro. This is a classic colorway. I don't care what nobody says. This is one of those staple colorways for this model, and that is no other than the Air Jordan 14 Toro Ferrari, bro, whatever you want to call it, man. At first I used to call these the Toros, but these are the Ferrari 14s. You guys see, this is modeled after, Michael Jordan's favorite car. And you guys see the crazy headed out red all around, which happens to be all suede. And we are hearing it's going to be a regular Air Jordan 14. I said, it ain't going to be no 14 low. It's going to be just like this. And they're going to be releasing summer of 2025. That's perfect, bro. That is perfect timing. All red sneaker, rock it during the summer. And I've had these for some years now. You can see how they held up. Let me go ahead and grab the other one real quick. I've definitely been rocking these things. You can see like the dirt stains on the toe box. But other than that, bruh, these right here, like I said, are a staple Air Jordan 14, bro. The Ferraris are no less than a top 3 colorway when it comes to the 14s. You guys can let me know how you feel about that down below in the comment section. But I swear, it just feels like Nike this year and next year have been, laying out some crazy bangers. I don't know if it's just me, if I'm the only one peeping at, but they are dropping some nice, crazy colorways that literally everybody wants. So I don't know if that's the slump of purchases or the slump in the sales from Nike. Now it seems like they let's get some money back. Let's make what we know people are going to buy. And yeah, Toro Ferrari 14. I keep saying Toro because I keep thinking about the 5s. Air Jordan 5 Toro Bravos. But this is a Ferrari 14, guys. You see the yellow Ferrari Jumpman logo, the 2-3 on the back, the spoiler, man, the ventilation on the, midsole, bro, the carbon fiber. Just a solid Air Jordan 14. And again, I have a pair now, and a lot of shoes that have been releasing or we getting, word that's coming out, I already have a pair, but it's to the point now where I don't got the UNCs. I always wanted that pair. My Ferrari 14 is a little dinged up, you know what I'm saying? So it kind of does, make me want to get another pair, which I know I'm going to do. And I used to talk trash about people that have been buying shoes for, 20, 30 plus years, and I've been getting the same shoe over and over and over. Now I'm in that stance where I got these back when they released, and now they're coming back out. And I do now see why people go out and get the retro of that pair or however it may be, or reimagine stuff like that, because you want a clean, crispy pair, bro. I don't know if that's just me, that's y'all. Let me know in the comment section, but I will be definitely snagging and securing a pair of the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris. It's a no-brainer, bro. No-brainer, clean colorway. I know it's gonna be some people in the comment section saying this is their favorite Air Jordan 14. I don't know if you guys seen the laces. I added that on there. Put these little gold aglets on the lace tips right here. Made it a little pop a little bit harder, you feel me? But other than that, bro, super excited for next year. Super excited for this year. And tomorrow's video, we're gonna be talking about some upcoming things, some upcoming, you know, stuff that Jordan and Nike has been doing. So you guys stay tuned for all that by subscribing, hit the notification bell. But let me know next year, man, 2025, will you be snagging the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris? I know it ain't just me, bro. It can't just be me. I appreciate y'all's support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. As always, greatly appreciated. I ain't been as consistent as I used to be, but I'm definitely gonna come up on here, chop it up with you guys. But I need all you guys to hit the like button. I need all you guys to comment something down below. Gotta get the engagement up, because at the end of the day, I don't want to drop a video and I'm talking to two people. I just call you on FaceTime, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys comment, hit that like button, all that good jazz, and it'd be greatly appreciated, man. Love y'all, appreciate your support. Let me catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.